PLYX Therapeutics, a biotech stock that listed on Nasdaq in February near $49 and crashed to the low $2 range. Today it bounced over 100% on a new analyst buy rating. After that kind of move, we turned on short mode after the chart became very extended. What you're watching now is about an hour of price action sped up. The stock is chopping sideways, not doing much. The algorithm keeps repositioning, derisking above cost basis, adding back when it dips. No emotion, just following the rules. This is the part of trading nobody shows you. The boring part. I took my dog for a walk during this. That's the whole point of automation. You don't sit here for an hour fighting the urge to close out early. The algorithm handles it. Now we're back in real time. Price spikes up against our short in a counter-trend rally. Instead of panicking, the algorithm doubles down at higher prices to bring our average cost basis up. After an impulsive move, the system gets ready to de-risk as price pulls back around our cost basis, locking in about $200, anticipating the price action before it happens. Now, the algorithm has positioned us to take maximum profit on the retest of $6. We don't need massive selling pressure, just follow through on our expected move down. The target is hit and we book almost $1,400 in profit as I'm still on the walk with my dog. If you want to see how the software works, link is below. New trade recap every day. Subscribe and I'll see you on the next one.